What? To hear it, basically. And it's not tuned.
Stocky.
It's just
stocky with an exhaust.
It's just what happens when you fucking muffler delete a Acura, bro. I don't know why the fuck.
What?
Sound like, I don't know, bro.
Straight trumpet, bro.
It's giving VQ vibes. I ain't gonna lie. It's giving VQ vibes.
VQ's infinities.
Yeah, this is sounds cool. I just had to show y'all that because y'all swear this motherfucker is tuned, bro, but it's not.
I popped the hood.
It's already popped. Y'all see the Miata, bro. Hey, I left my lights on too, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Before we even look at this hood, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel just so I can see that it's a stock fucking motor. But make sure y'all look, JoJo cars, y'all do that. Y'all see the lights going on. I left those bitches on, but oh well. But yeah, y'all see it. Look, no intake. You got the K&N on there, but is it even a K&N? You probably just changed the filter, or is it hidden? So you changed the filter.
That's it.
No down pipes. Stop. I can't. Oh, he has to send me the video of his exhaust system. So I'm gonna throw his exhaust system in after this, so y'all can see that it's stopped. And then maybe you go to it right now, but this is literally it. That's literally it, bro. This is gonna be like a 10-minute video of that. So you're gonna see how much views this get. Bro.
Res delete, secondary cap, and silencer delete. Then with a high driving resonator. Then just the Chrysler 300C tips, 4-inch outings, 2.5-inch stock exhaust. That's it. People say go 3-inch, but shit, you see how it sound. You see how it sound. 4-banger.
Yeah, and then there's that thing's louder though, but his shit pop more than that. Yeah.
This shit is
this shit loud though. But his shit pop.
Startup shits on me.
Yeah, nah, his shit pop though, y'all. But that's it, bro. I mean, he painted his shit the last time from the review, so his shit red. There I go. Since y'all came into my live.